Have you ever felt lost in academic writing? Or struggled with presenting your ideas? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of academic writing and presentation skills. These skills are vital for effectively communicating your research and ideas. They enhance your ability to engage with your audience. Let's start with academic writing principles. The first step is to prioritize clarity. Always be clear and concise. Avoid jargon, and when using technical terms, define them. For example, instead of saying agrarian transitions exhibit variegated heterogeneity, say agricultural change varies across regions. Next, you want your writing to be objective and evidence-based. Support your assertions with citations. For example, you might say, the study found or Smith, 2018, reports. This builds credibility and strengthens your arguments. Logical organization is crucial. Use headings and subheadings, and ensure that topic sentences guide your reader. Readers should easily follow your argument, no matter where they are from. Don't overlook grammar. Always proofread for correctness. Use tools or ask peers for help. This is especially important for formal publications. Pay attention to aspects like British English spelling. Now, let's talk about cultural sensitivity. Address local knowledge respectfully. Highlight strengths and innovations. This ensures your writing resonates with diverse communities. Moving on to presentation skills. First, consider your audience. Tailor your content based on who will be present. A community meeting requires simpler language than a seminar for experts. Structure your presentation effectively. Use a three-part structure: an introduction to state your purpose, a body to discuss methods and findings, and a conclusion for implications. Start with why your study matters. Visual aids play a key role. Use slides to underscore main points. Keep them uncluttered and focused. Each slide should have one main idea. For instance, while presenting survey data, clear charts with labeled axes can make it understandable at a glance. Your delivery matters too. Speak clearly and maintain eye contact. Adjust your pace based on your audience's understanding. In multilingual settings, consider summarizing in local languages. Practice makes perfect. Rehearse with peers and gather their feedback. Mock presentations reveal misunderstandings and enhance clarity. Now, how about visualizing data? Data visualizations transform complex information into understandable graphics. This helps in decision-making and supports interpretation. Ethically present your visualizations. Use various types of visualizations carefully. For example, utilize bar charts for comparisons and line charts for trends. Infographics combine visuals with text for storytelling, and clear maps can illustrate spatial patterns. Tools matter too. Excel is widely used for data visualization. Ethical considerations are essential. Label axes clearly and avoid misleading scales or colors. Participatory visualization enhances community ownership. When community members co-create visuals, they share valuable insights that official maps may overlook. This bridges research and practice. Next, let's touch on peer review. It enhances quality through critical scrutiny. Feedback from diverse reviewers encourages collaborative learning and improves clarity. To integrate feedback, use structured rubrics to guide reviewers. Keep a log of comments and document your responses. This shows your commitment to improvement. Incorporate participant feedback in community-based projects. Return findings to participants for validation to ensure credibility. Let's summarize the key points. Prioritize clarity and objective writing. Structure your presentations effectively while remaining audience aware. Use ethical visualizations to convey data meaningfully. Engage in peer review to refine your work. Now that you have these tools, it's time to implement them. Start by practicing your academic writing and presentation skills today. Engage with your audience and gather feedback for improvement. Embrace this journey and make your research impact fully understood.